You're discoing! Oh, that's right! Yee! I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. How you guys doing? This is the chart DXY, the USD, and we are making a 2021 high today in the US dollar. As I stated last Friday, we could have had, I suspected that bearish rally was caused by short covering, the short cover the positions, and I think I am right. Today we settled at 92.94, which is higher than last Thursday. Beautiful. I think we might have a fast move to 94 very soon, and this might create havoc, or maybe it's priced in gold. We don't know yet. Sometimes gold and some precious metals and some market asset classes, sometimes they price in this move. So we will see. If gold doesn't go down when we hit 94, that means it's priced in. But after we pass this 94, I don't think gold will price in or any asset class. I think 95 will create a lot of havoc. Good deal. So this is the DXY. Let me show you the assumption in stock charts, even though this one is not updated yet. And we are working on this assumption that the extended flat 335C, and I think the minimum target is 95. I think once we cross 94, we cross this September high, a lot of things will go down. Gold and a lot of stuff. Maybe gold is pricing in this number right now. I'm not sure yet. But once we cross this bad boy, a lot of things will go down. Beautiful. So I think this is game. But to pass that, it's like a efficient. This is efficient market theory right here. I think they price in this number. If we pass this bad boy, it's gonna be bad. Let's look at TLT. All right, this is a 4-hour time frame. I tweeted that. I think the 3 people that are following me, Hakeem and Abdul Jabbar, my Goombas, the one that put like in my tweets all the time. Thank y'all. Good. So TLT in the 4-hour time frame, in this assumption, since September 2020, the price action traced of an average 4% every time the stochastic comes down from an overbought. Meaning, this is the 4-hour time frame, by the way. So every time you go over 80 and you go down at least in the price action 4%. Okay, this is a 4-hour time frame. You could look it up, and so far it went down from 138.66 to today's low. So you could measure it yourself. But I think this assumption is assuming a test of this low. I think once we take this low, a lot of things will go down too. I think the market might be pricing this in right here. But once we go below that, it's going. You're gonna know about it. You're gonna know about it once we go below 133.19 in TLT. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at that daily time frame. Okay, so we managed to close below the 20 moving average. And this is the exponential, by the way. Exponential 20 moving average and exponential 10-day moving average. And we made a dark cloud cover. Or maybe, a dark cloud cover. Last Wednesday. And we had a follow through. And today is very bearish too. We did not even go to 80, which is overbought in stochastic. And this is very bearish too. That means the momentum is very weak. You're going below 50. I think, if I'm not mistaken, as I said in the 4-hour time frame, 133.19 is game, and we will see what happens after that. Let's look at the Nasdaq, the mighty Nasdaq. So what do we see? I see a lot of 1-2s, 1-2s, 1-2, 1-2, and 1-2 now. So triple 1-2s which indicates a very fast move to the downside very soon. And I think that fast move will create the USD as the ultimate safe haven. I think if we go below this one, a lot of people go to dollar. They will sell bonds, they will sell gold, they will sell every asset class, and gold and dollar would be the king. And what's different about this chart? This is the first time since 2020 that you have a bearish crossover in the MACD below the zero line. And this is very, very bearish usually. It means continuation of weakness. See? See, this is bullish crossover, not bearish. So the first time for a very long time, when you have a continuation of bearishness below the zero line, okay? So that indicates a lot of weakness in the Nasdaq. So, in conclusion, my assumption, the dollar, a lot of people are pricing in 94 for the DXY, but once you pass that, a lot of havoc will be created. And I think that the volatility will happen. I think gold might go up, might bounce later, but it's going to be a temporary bounce. And 95 will be nightmarish for the markets. Please like, if you like, share and subscribe, and don't leave me hanging. And please do remember that nothing equals to disco. Nothing. It is the alpha and the omega. It's the ultimate truth. It is not from this earth, and it is forever.